Yes, good afternoon. Thank you, PB. Yeah, syempre, bagong lahat, I'd like to congratulate Viva, syempre, Miss Veronique, Vincent, Boss Big, and ALB for this very momentous event. Diba? Pinagsanib ang dalawang malaking talent agency, Viva Artist Agency and ALB. Congratulations yan. Pero syempre, sisimulan ko ang pagtatanong. Nandito si Boss B. Oo. Syempre, pwede daw siyang tanungin kahit hindi siya nagpunta sa States. Syempre, Boss B and...
Meron na ako, meron na.
Yeah. Yes, syempre, Boss B and ALB. Bago po itong pagsasalip puwersa ng Viva Artist Agency ng Viva and ALV po. Naisip niyo po ba, Boss Vic and ALV, sama na rin natin si Miss Veronique and Boss Vincent, no? Naisip niyo po ba na kapag kayong dalaway naging isa, kahit na ilang lakas ng between ay di kayang pantayan inyong ningning? Oo, yan. Siyempre, galing niya sa famous lyrics ng between walang ningning ng Viva, Boss Vic. Yan.
Si Leonardo, dahil original yan ano. Hindi, si Arnold, matagal ko ng kaibigan. 16 years old pa lang, nagpo-promote ng concert kami. So, matagal na kami nagsasama. May mga artist na rin kami napamanage. So, sabi ko sa kanya, ba't hindi tayo magsanib pwersa? Para hindi mo na kinakalat-kalat sa iba-iba. Kami naman, we need one artist that meron kaming Viva One, meron tayong mga vertical, doing more movies now. So, sa recording, audition ko sila, gagaling ko kanta gagaling mag-host. So, sabi ko, gawin na natin, parang yung tawag na, wholesale, huwag na tingin-tingin. So, ito na. Ito na yung simula ng aming pagsasanib. So, thank you Arnold for the trust and hopefully it will become a trend in the industry na yung dating hindi magkasama ay nagsasanib.
Matutuwa niyan si Korean siya si Lamina. Pero ALB, pakalat-kalat. Hindi natin mo yan. Hindi, joke lang. Pero yan, ALB, yun nga, sa pagsasanib puwersa nyo, what do you expect, anong ina-expect mo? Yan, tinunggalan ka na ng mic.
Hello. Ayan. Before anything else, I would like to greet everyone, especially our friends from media. And I'm so happy I see you again, itong mga friends from media. And I would like to say thank you. Thank you to Viva Group of Companies, especially of course the founder and chairman, Mr. Vic Del Rosario, for trust and confidence of doing what he said to us is a strategic alliance between ALV and Viva. And this is the first that, sabi nga ni Boss Vic, matagal na kaming magkakilala, 16 years old pa lang ako, taga-benta pa lang ako ng ticket na mga shows namin with Ching Imperial together with Viva before, Viva Concerts. And now, we talk about it, we've been talking about this for many years, especially kami ni Veronique. How can we be together in managing an artist? And it is the right time na, because of the platform that I have also, like the pageant industry, nakakakita tayo ng mga new faces who are talagang professional, may karapatan, at the same time, very talented young artists. It's about time to explore new artists naman. With the platform that we have, and with the bigger platform of Viva. Viva is not only on movies. Viva is also into talent management. They're into digital. They're the first one who did the digital platform. Sila ang pinakamalaking digital platform sa buong Pilipinas. I'm sure nagkukumpit na ang Viva sa buong mundo. So they are the first one who introduced the big platform ng digital. So now it's a new age, digital age. It's about time na naisip ko na mag-partner sa isang malaking company. Hindi kami malaki compared to Viva. It's about time to be a partner with Viva. Not only on the films, not only on the talent management, but like what Boss Vic said, to me, we have to be partner in all aspect, not only on the talent management. And this is what you call the strategic alliance between ALV and Viva. And kami ni Veronique, talagang noong araw pa yan, dahil kami ni Veronique kasi magkaibigan na noong araw pa, when we were in high school ba? College. And then since then, nag-uusap kami how to be together. And now, it's reality na. So this is only the first batch. You can see more talents from ALV and Viva Artists Agency. Thank you.
Thank you, ALB. Mukhang na-excite si ALB. Hindi na siya nagsalita ng ganyang kahaba. Veronique, syempre kayo magpa-partner talaga kasi ikaw ang head ng BAA eh. Kayo magpaplano sa career ng mga girls na to, di ba?
Finally, I'm happy na ngayon lang kami been friends for so long. So now, may partnership na talaga. And may I si Arnold sa mga artists. So pareho naman kaming aligned with our vision. So I'm very hopeful na may more talents pa from ALV.
Yeah. So Vincent, nang malaman mo na magpa-partner na magsasali po sa ALB and Viva, anong unang naisip mo, Vincent?
So, yung ano, for I think more than a month back and forth kami nila Arnold, just trying to make sure na we're on the same page. And finally nga, I think a week ago, sabi niya, game na. So I told si Boss Vic, sabi niya, game, let's launch. So yung partnership is beyond in talent management. With some of the artists, we're recording them. With some of the other artists naman, we're doing movies with them. Maybe original series, Viva One, or even for television. But the partnership goes beyond new talents. A prime talent like David Licauco will soon be doing a project with us. So it's a major movie. So malalim, and then we're looking at concerts, other businesses where we have common interest. So si Arnold naman is a very good businessman. So I think we complement each other, especially with si Boss Vic. Aligned kami doon. So yun, happy kami and excited. Nabanggit nga, ito yung first batch. Hopefully, there'll be more coming soon. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, thanks, Boss Vincent. Ito na ang tanong, kasi syempre, puro beauty queens siya, di ba? Arnold is the owner of Miss World Philippines. Boss B, pati ba Miss World Philippines, magkakaroon na kayo ng collab ng AL?
Ang usapan namin ni Arnold ay, Viva will support. Kung eventually we will be partner, I think meron din pag-asa na. Pero definitely we will be supporting all the events of Arnold. And karamihan dito naman ang venue eh. Di ba?
Okay. Kanina kasi binanggit ni Boss Vic yung mga ibang platforms of Viva, no? Hindi nabanggit ang BMX. May posibilidad ba, Boss Vincent, na pati sa BMX? Kasi ang BMX ngayon, the other day, we had a press con, pasakali, di ba, na action, di ba? Sila Martin. Tapos may mga ibang contract star kayo na beauty queen na naging party ng BMX before, like Kylie Versosa, di ba? So, posible bang magkaroon din ng projects for BMX?
I think it depends on the artist naman kung gusto nila mag-transition o sumubok. Obviously, yung pelikulang gagawin with the right directors, the right writers. So, we won't force them, but if they're open to it, I think it will be an exciting opportunity for them. Kasi remember, yung VMX is a global platform. We're not only catering to Filipinos, but to yung mainstream markets in different territories. So, maganda rin, agad-agad may global exposure yung talents na And na-prove namin yan, marami na tayong mga dumaan sa Viva Max na parang, hindi naman household name, kilala na sa iba't ibang parts ng mundo. Ayun.
Vincent, pwede na natin announce that we will be opening a BMX club in Newport soon. Kami. It's a 1,200 square meters club where it will be remember the Gerard Peters show before? Magkakaroon tayo ng ganun doon. So, we will open in August. with partner with Mega World.
So nice. Congratulations.
Yun.
Abangan namin, Boss Vic yan. Pero syempre, congratulations